Say who now we general secretary of MPP say at this material point in time no. I just been now be
Sis.
everyone for aha Ghana TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notifications so that anytime the video gets away, share ma usambe kebi.
Anumre me de omodi matempa.
Adenja.
Around Berryan. Say me de minimum nti me kuta account we na me de nti me copy no maso life. Na omo ka I think say bibia fa Miss Bell. Na me mpo me yeso. Nyame ya adom ya to aba na wi nti mumie na no. Yenka mum yentai eye o de owi ni nachi. Na yi na yenko gitumi no. Emma MPP. Na no na be ma ya yenkonimdefo. Say me na minim agenda om de wo masa. Oma yeme papa. Na me ana me see because na me nim say nka me go mo program de me nkoso. Me de me nko mo programs ba na me feel say no mo cameras ba sem feel say be NDC na omo ba be ye na me ko supporting say ne be ya be fight for one cost. Oma ye ema bi je say ebinum omo fro mo ho MPP fo a one MPP bedi ATS ubuza ne say e de ade na ye ono ne krom kra wo hu enso so MPP ne so onye MPP ni hwe eneme kama obi bi owa ha aso ate say those people no or say you unfollow mu 1 2 any kwansi e involve mu obi bi omo nye MPP for omo ye stomach politicians ena omo ye say omo be use MPP din they are build omo social media way so I think say voice message say leader dey way enkofo binuma even omo di omo platform amemem DC for a omo sa omo from MPP for omo do omo platform ne the main DC for say di empenin for natep esa radical ya party no I think say mo ka say kwachire na mo ne empenin for no ehia de it's better say omo ebe se ne woka no general secretary beba out one omo kro omo ni MPP card o sa nkofo no omo ni card but always be an omu use party ni din edinye din bone de ma party no ma party no ho nya konoma afufuro binum a omu wo pepa de ma party no so I think say we have to start attacking them not by intokwa anase we but ye be reply omu sene a city
Because do you sincerely think say Obi at this point in time has a genuine reason why he will not rally behind the candidate of the party?
Meme ye wini amba no tama ye to aba ne wi no me ba out be can say even we don't even need sa akwane camp no for no kra because omuye sebio Judas omu no omu ba omu se be say nioma because yenim DAC 2024 omu ni omu nkofo eni omu peni oda omu no ye nioma ye no na omu say nioma wo yechi ye nioma ye no na omu say nioma wo yechi so meme de fine na me feel say bia nko masesa after say omu we putoyi na me feel say bia nko masesa by I think say agenda bia omu start ya na emfa na even ma omu so me omu me fwa so omu kwati omu party na minim say single number bi di zero chidi a no kro munya say single number bi ana say zero bi wo hansa na 0 na enim na nkasa bakra sa number no munya because Ghana for nyamwa Ghana for mpe obi a sebio ono no enji obi a ono no de ne fiasem ba bonten ese wo be ni wabonten su ni na be father for Ghana for ye ni enji minsa
yo
na MPP na ye wonya ye na ewom no sebi eya na nkofo so MPP for de nyansafo ni onye se nyansafo ni omo by sometimes you know it is say baby ya build o man yakwakodri na obi pese o de ntokwa be se na sebi se wo dwapade o man ni ma o mpene se ntokwa nsi ubegya bibia ma na kana sumdua ba no abo dwapade ho man enu nti na ya na MPP for always bia no ma ye din no because baby MPP for aboa Ghana ma Ghana nya bedru no se nneoma bia na NDC for sorry na omo ye na se ye de ntokwa hye oma ebe mo man na tete apansama ma MPP ye nneoma papa ye na edin ne bepepa anything always bia na ye bo ho ban.
Yo, me that's it. Kokofu, and thanks so much for the brilliant communication and explaining things. Welcome, Mama Pounds. So, a topic we are going to go into the second session is who do you think should be the next chairman of MPP, national chairman? Very very good. Any freestyle. Obiane nipa ope. We are going to have that conversation afterwards. Mama Pounds, good morning.
Hello. Good morning, Netizen.
Yes, I don't mean we now as well.
Jadumo, Diakeni.
That is what I say. Okay.
Oh, okay. Menya wo intro ni nyina but kakra mete ye no.
No can no vote for ya. You see momo.
Yes. I'm agree with you because especially that phobia member no. And someone womo can attend ya womu die no. And then the man himself na ankasa no. I don't trust him. Omo penny na omu di nechi no. I don't trust him. Yaya ade wie ye. Me nya shokra se papa ni fie omo mu ko so nko hobi.
Everyone go.
Yes. And then me nya happy so se papa no ebe ye na dwen se o ko ni fie ho te say the last time.
David.
Yes. Aha. Onye so te ase. And enwira say me hu se wa be ye yi bi se or that delegate ase. Wabeye yibise or that woman say.
Yeah.
But meanwhile, after that, party ni niyama woye bien wa wode wo ho ayede. Ashim. And some na wono a wokaye no. Wonim ni oye. That's why I heard that tag Dr. Elia.
Yeah.
He know what he was doing. Deliberating or the year, you know. So what I say, until no share that car say, Papa ni ye trufo. Also, or car say, Omo ye say, on patcho, also on the on patcho, but or one sembe 18, what list year, or back kind chester doctor, a liar into one patcho. Inti, when nimunia or pes woye, and a winimadia woye day, woye, they have a plan. I don't trust him. And even the other Eastern Regional Elion Max no Grano. I don't trust both of them.
Can you imagine, say, Alex Tete, an ardent follower of Honorable Ken. Etini Babon Tibeka say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will liver issue. Very soon he will go for surgery.
Yes. Also, liver and kidney this thing.
I think say Emrenaba for such people no self farm court no munchiasika.
Yes.
A self farm court na medical records I actually said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia our liver and kidneys issue provided or either you apologize and you pay for legal fees. Again, one of the reasons why Penina Kasanso I said he's pulling it back and he said, yes, see, Ashen come say, some way, somehow, no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, God forbid, will not live to see 2028 and see. Or no penino, Ena, it will always to fall on. And your train.
One no what Jimmy was come now will believe no because so share election results nearby and one. A dear NHS say even doctor anyone now or no oberene. On because enuna yesu say doctor anywa a dear NHS or berene or share results nearby and cabra kura a year chow. It is a say the one blind cram you no face to face blind be channel.
Yeah.
Blind be channel.
Possible. Yeah.
Enti na yesa woje sa commission nidi. It means me no maintenance obi a wo na utimi ese uye expose afa asofo ho. You don't believe them. What has changed and now no utimi ma asofo hye wo nkoma ugidi.
There were on the way to Damascus.
Enti eno kra kire se wankasa no wo no wunye obi a say you take you serious.
Finally, Mama Pounds say who now ye General Secretary of MPP say at this material point in time no. I just been now be
Se ya de se meme ena me ye general secretary a those say say enipa bi a ofre wo mu no discipline no wodo mu bone ache wo mu na yenka mum no but now no se meme na obi te say alestete I don't know way I don't think say that alestete no okura NDC MPP card
I doubt.
menye sure so oye MPP ni so what you say enti enipa obetimi eputu no order eye ne master na wo kasama no because
Yeah.
na no mete say wo si wo makọ register party ama omo master na omo kasama no adentina ne master no na eso putu no order because as same we say no so ne master no wo ye papa say senka ne master no kase enye no kure
Yeah.
esenko de eyi ebeto abonte say
No, Becca say what and now or dream.
yeah
Or some people say uncontested for independent what until or dream or the
Why can't say?
master no.
Okay, wakanda be me no mente.
Oh, we are meeting be on ni campaign team we are meeting and our cow. Say grassroots be per se unco independent. I bet do ni ho and now or dream like you know we ma ni reply.
This is the most a year anka ono a wode be man ho. Opa on try. Me nka be me deso obe try.
Yo, me
Because
that's it.
me catch up say omu wo mu a enye ma omu free mu ntosin. Ena bibie ni ho a omu de be ade 2028 say na boy na kan say say doctor yi na ni efiri wo mu so. Na yetimi find different way a woman deba eye election. Na say some crofo no woman say we no say yes so ba. And I thank God say now no the number no is sharp.
Yeah.
Amanfo ahu no.
Yeah.
And the number na unya ne now no kra no so kwa ni omu nya ne be say di na chi ne na yeden.
Yeah, echo.
And nako. So
Me that's
we
it.
should ignore them.
Yo, me that's it, Mama Pounds.
The mentor so.
Bishop, can you
Sa no ma say was it
What's my mama so on tiade?
nurses allowance no say when 26 o ka chom so ontua. Meboa. O ka chom dare so ontua. By and no. What ba abai bia ba abetua ma wo. Mo amoye nurses empo covid di ba ye. Papa yi mamu entade nyina uniform allowance. Etutu mu pay mu mamu. Was starting see agenda 111 at their mamu. No be abegyina say se moto mame a agenda 111 no wusi no me ba meto aso. Na wo se ma ye no enti wakoto ama no. Wonu onya na ni suade hunu na. Wo si da ne se wode bo enye ye driverfo enye ye carpenterfo na kwemu adwuma na mu nurses ne health workers no mu na mokoye agenda 111 ni mu adwuma na mama papa ya tima begyina mu school mu aka just obama automatic posting say woman make kitchen na wokoye posting no woman make kitchen ana papa bathroom ehwo na ne ye transfer wa makoye adwuma wonim say agenda 111 wona na kede be fo adwuma ana mudi atrosem mahamalaya achi ana mudi na achi na mokoto aba ne di TMPP teacher for emrebi ni etwa moka 3 months abramwa ya adwuma 36 months etwa moka 3 months aban ne ba no obetwa moka 33 months ka ho elder sister akura for membre mu omu pii no because teacher for mo kira de ma sebe ya ginim de di firi omo na sɛ ɔmo kura mahama tumi de n'adwe saa bɛfa ɔmo ho biem na okuafoɔ ti akuafoɔ momo deɛ bɛbrɛ mu kakra ne sɛ Akufo Addo ba na mu kokoo se na esi so na nso saa biem
Papa mo mo
bye
koko.
Ọbaayɛ no wotimi betwitwa mu kokoo no gu atwa 1 acre bi 1001 sister wo kokoo 10 acres bia no woji 11,000 edi ne ko na sister ọma saa per youth emrante wo community ne mu na ọma ko dua boode a saa to boze boode yi no eguka mu ede koma akuafo ya ko dua ama ekromo ma mu a asa adọkwa ma papa wo soro a maame wo soro wadware atrase ye di nduro ne bibia aguso wo kona za boode na nyina wakotutwa saa de akokrom akwakoton anase omomoto boode no asa aba ye beto abayi me ne ubedi adanse se videos bi ba ya na boode gugu kwa ho a ya boaboa no akuakuo a no mo kasa na Addo boode saa nipa yi etwitwa nkrampan ne nneɛma wo kokoo yi mpane ma kokoo timi so firi fam besi ase kuani bi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ yɛtoo ne kokoo ama ne di 2 days ane ntwa ne ka na obi odi kokoo saa tem kofoɔ edi kokoo eba 250 Ghana cedis amma ɔmo so bɛfa firi 250 Ghana cedis ɛno no mutu kokoo mu 10 cedis 20 cedis 10 cedis 8 years na ɔmo kɔ no ɔmo atu mu 225 Ghana cedis enipa na hwɛ a aban na wɔte so no ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔdinti no nsɛm dɛ ɔbɛka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔma wɔ 70% ɛdi eto kokoo 9,000 yes akaka na do $10,000 sɛ eti ɛsɛ ɛkyɛ mu miɛnsa na ɛma wɔ 65 kuani ne etimi trase hu sɛ ɛna saa de yɛ times 2 ɛyɛ agana 1 agana 2 Mahamalaya ɛyɛ agana 1 agana 2 sɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ te sɛ ɔmo mutimi ka sɛ fasika bɛgye sika gari ebi ne mahama ɛyɛ mu sika gari remes because ojo ka 3,001 no ka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɔbɛma wo 6,500 times 2 abrumpo entikwene ne tie ma na so me ne de ewura fi ne ho sɛ papa yi ba ne me kokoo kra me tie me ntimi nya 1 bag ɛna obedwitwa ye ho adwuma de ma me no kokoo na me ntimi nya 1 bag ne ɛna me ntimi nya 10 bags 20 bags enti at least papa na ye bi sebi o Ghana fo nyina yɛ sɛ ɔbaa bɔne ne kunu betimi ahwɛ ne saa ne kunu yare bɔ ne kunu ne sɛ ahokyɛ kakra ba pɛ wɔsɛ ai ana wonya sika ana na wo mprafo na edi ana no wɔgya ba ma na si wɔ sana Ghana fo etie eti de ya kɛyɛ ɛnɛ yɛtimi de kodu 3,600 na ɛnura nko a hwɛ ba bi ate wɔ afiri abɛhwɛ sese Ghana kuafo kokoo yɛda nam kokoo fo de yɛsrɛ mo momɔ makoma emra fo yɛde yɛ ma ase yɛbɛkuru mo ba de yɛka kyɛm sɛ yɛsrɛ mo mamu ntwa kokoo ne fa nyɛ galamsey na anidaso wɔ hɔ yɛka kyerɛ mo sɛ anidaso ɛwɔ hɔ yɛsrɛ mo yɛde kotodwe gu fam Ghana kuafo o sister ma yɛ basa